If you want to hit 1000 subscribers faster than you ever thought possible, in the next 6 minutes, I'll give you proven step-by-step strategy to help you supercharge or skyrocket your growth. Real tactics that work, and believe me when I say it works. Before then, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Learn with Lydia, and here we learn about YouTube growth tips. If you're tuning in for the first time, do well to like and subscribe. Drop a comment, and also do not forget to share this video for every other person to get to hear this good news. Let's get straight into the video. The first thing you need to do to get those subscribers faster than you ever thought possible is to upload videos in all formats. To get 1000 subscribers, don't limit yourself to one type of content. You need to upload videos of all formats. What do I mean when I say you need to upload videos of all formats? Upload more short videos, again, upload long videos, and go live as well. Long form videos allows you to dive into topics and build authority, while short videos on the other hand are perfect for going viral and getting you discovered by new viewers. And don't forget to go live. Live streams create real-time engagement and helps you connect directly to your audience. Live streaming on YouTube Shorts, on the other hand, builds a stronger community and boosts your visibility, as new followers often check out on your older videos too. Mixing all these formats means you are reaching viewers wherever they are, however they like to watch. The second thing you need to do to get those subscribers faster than you ever thought is to share your videos on social media the right way. Share your videos on social media, but do it smart. Don't just upload and pray for people to find your content. No. Share your clips or reels on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, wherever your audience hangs out. And end your statement with full video on YouTube. But here is the key. Tailor a message for each platform. Use eye-catching captions, relevant hashtags, and call to actions. This way, you will grab attention, engage with your followers in the comment section, and encourage them to check out your channel. This multiplies your reach and brings subscribers who already like your style. The third thing you need to do to get those subscribers faster than you ever thought is to use the comment section to your advantage. It doesn't matter the comment section for big and small creators. Here is the secret. The comment section is a goldmine for exposure. Leave thoughtful and genuine comments on videos for both big and small YouTubers in your niche. Don't spam. Instead, add value to the conversation and answer questions. Then, when people see your helpful comments, they will be curious. They will be curious and click through your channel. This builds a relationship and puts your name in front of viewers who are already interested in your content, leading to subscribers. The fourth thing you need to do to get those subscribers faster is consistency is everything. If you want to know the difference between slow and fast growing channels, is consistency. I know you've heard it a million times, but here is the truth. YouTube doesn't reward who uploads the most. It rewards those who show up consistently over time. Pick a schedule, 2 times a week, 1 shot every day, lives once a week, whatever you can sustain. Even if your first video is flop, keep going, keep pushing. YouTube is watching, and so are your potential subscribers. Your next upload might be the one that blows up. As you maintain consistency, make sure your videos are quality. Make sure your videos are top-notch. Don't sacrifice quality for quantity. If you follow these, 1000 subs isn't just possible, it is inevitable. Smash that like button if you got value. Comment below what step you will start with, and also don't forget to subscribe, because I have more game-changing YouTube growth tips coming your way. Bye bye.